Yes, dear student, there is a question for you on the board. Each molecule of a polar compound has diagonal of 10 to the power minus 29 coulomb meter. Polar molecule. You know which polar molecule? Actually, covalent compounds who each atom has some positive negative charge form dipole. So dipole moment of each molecule of polar compound 10 to the power 29 10 to the power minus 29 coulomb meter. 1 mole of this compound is polarized at low temperature by an electric field of 10 to the power 6 volt per meter. If after polarization direction of electric field is turned by 60 degree, then calculate the heat produced by this compound. I think question clear to you all. 1 mole of covalent compound, suppose kept here in container, each has diagonal P equal to 10 to the power minus 29 coulomb meter. In the absence of electric field, they will be random. Dipole direction of different molecules will be different. But if we apply electric field, you know, in electric field, every dipole experiences a torque, and that torque rotates the dipole parallel to electric field. That process of aligning the dipoles parallel to electric field is called polarization. Here, polarized. If after, ठीक है भाई, polarized means all molecules get parallel to applied field. Now, when we rotate the field by 60 degree, then how much will be the energy heat released? Why the heat will be released? We have learned that in rotating dipole in electric field, W is equal to PE into 1 minus cos theta. Now the thing is same whether you rotate the dipole or you rotate the electric field. So here, instead of rotation of dipole moment P, field is rotated. When field rotates, then the old dipole will get aligned parallel to field again to get polarized. And in this process, work has to be done by external to rotate the field, and that work done will appear in the form of heat. This is the theme here. But total dipole क्या होगा? Total dipole moment. Total dipole moment of compound P equal to, each molecule has this. And how many molecules are there in 1 mole? 6 into 10 to the power 26. Sorry, 23. 1 mole of compound has 6.023 10 to the power 23. I have left 0.023 and into 10 to the power minus 29. So total diagonal here is now 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb meter. Total diagonal which will be rotating. So W is equal to P 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 or E 10 to the power 6 1 minus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree 1 by 2. So it is 6 only. Cancel 1 हो गया into 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. It is 6 into 1 by 2 means 3 joule. This question is very important for understanding point of view. I think at bottom it is not clear. I am writing here again. W is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power 6 into 1 minus cos 60 degree. It become 1, so 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2, sorry 6 into 1. 6 into 1 into 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2 equal to 3 joule will be the amount of heat energy released. This question is an example of NCERT book. Please see it carefully. Actually, when we talk about mole, people get confused. What is 1 mole? What is mole? Now it has become 7th fundamental quantity in science, mole, and people don't understand what is mole. When I ask students what is mole, they say collection of 6.02 3 10 to the power 23 atoms is 1 mole. Then I generally ask, bring me 1 mole of carbon. So they get confused. 1 mole of carbon se kaise laएं? Because atoms are not visible. You can't count atoms this way. 1 mole. There is one unit which is called gram atomic mass. There is a unit of mass. There is a unit of mass which is called gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass is also a unit of mass, nothing else. But how much mass is 1 gram atomic mass? It is used to measure the mass of atoms or molecules. Na bhai? So how much mass is 1 gram atomic mass of an element equal to atomic mass of element taken in grams. Similarly, there is kilogram atom mass. So atom mass taken in kilogram, and 1 gram molecular mass. 1 gram molecular mass of a compound equal to molecular mass taken in grams. Actually, I am explaining this here. This term is used in our physics many times, and people get afraid of the problem and leave them. While thing is simple. For example, I have, what is the meaning of 1 gram atom mass? I have written clearly atom mass of element taken in grams. For example, 1 gram atomic mass of carbon 12 equal to 12 gram of carbon of C12 atom, or 1 gram atomic mass of calcium Ca equal to 40 gram of calcium element. Means if we have taken 40 gram calcium, then we have taken 1 gram atom mass of calcium. Similarly, 12 gram of carbon is equal to 1 gram atomic mass of carbon. The same way, 1 gram molecular mass, 1 gram molecular mass of water, 1 gram molecular mass of water is equal to 18 gram of water. 18 gram of water. So this is the definition of gram atomic mass. And remember now what I am going to tell you. 1 gram atomic mass of an element is called 1 mole of the element. Now you can understand it easily. 12 gram of carbon 12 is 1 mole of carbon. 40 gram of calcium. 40 gram of calcium is equal to 1 mole of calcium. Similarly, 56 gram of iron is 1 mole of iron. Now, when the masses are different, then why this unit has been chosen? Because 1 gram atom mass of every element has same number of atoms, which is called Avogadro number, which is called Avogadro number, which is equal to 6.02 10 to the power 23. Similarly, 1 gram molecular mass of every compound is 1 mole of compound. I am sorry to say I have read many books, and in some books of very good authors, very popular or very I should say experienced author, I get this definition mole defined very incorrectly. Generally, we will say the collection of 6.023 10 to the power 23 entities. I don't know where they are going. They are actually changing the mind of students from actual facts. So please remember, 1 gram atomic mass of an element is 1 mole of the element, and it has 6.02 10 to the power 23 atom of that element. And that way you can estimate the mass of one atom in gram or kilogram also. Atomic mass of calcium is 40. 40, what is this 40 actually? This is another unit. This is called atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. AMU इसको लिखते हैं AMU. But now we write it as U, generalized atomic mass unit. So that 40U है, 40U or 12U. Then how much will be in kilogram? Suppose you want to find mass of calcium atom in gram. So 6.023 10 to the power 23 atoms of calcium is equal to 40 gram, and hence one atom has mass कितना भाई 40 upon 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 ग्राम, नियरली कितना 36, 6.6 है ना, like that, 10 to the power minus 23 ग्राम. So why don't we use this? Because it is difficult to understand. It is easier to understand 1240. Just like if you want to tell your age, you tell in seconds only, not in minutes, not in seconds. You tell in years. Because in telling the age in years, it is not easy to tell. And secondly, if you have told anyone, the person will get confused. He will be in trouble. So please try to understand. I have explained concept of mole here. If I come to your house and ask, bring me 10 mole of water, then what you will do? If I ask, bring me 10 mole of water, so molecular mass of water 18, so 18 gram water, 1 mole, and hence 10 mole is equal to how much? 180 gram. So things become simple. But problem is that we people don't listen carefully. We don't read carefully. We have some knowledge, keep on telling that. One of my friends went to attend a seminar Bangalore from Muzaffarnagar. Then I asked, what have you learned there and what was the aim there? Because I was new actually. I started my career as teacher. I was not known what is in seminars. So he told me that they explained something and then asked us to, he asked what you don't understand. Then I asked him, what have you asked? I asked what is mole. Then I asked him, have you got it? He said, no. Then I explained him and he was very happy. It has become very simple. So a mole concept जानना जरूरी है. I have noticed people don't understand what is mole. Now, actually, I will do some more question in next video because it will become longer, difficult to upload.